Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ekta, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a beginner's makeup kit. Now this makeup kit is something which is really affordable because you are a beginner. You don't want to invest so much into makeup. So this makeup kit is very much affordable, and that doesn't mean that the products are not so expensive, so you'll not get good makeup done. These products are affordable as well as they work really good. I'm going to share all those products which work very good for all skin types, so you don't have to worry whether the products I'm suggesting you is for your skin type or not. Also, the color products that I'll be showing you, like the eyeshadow or the blusher, are for all types of Indian skin tone. So this is going to be a very interesting and informative video. I hope you watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Now before you start doing makeup, it is very important that you prepare your skin. Most important step before doing your makeup, and that is your regular CTM that you might be doing every day. But before makeup also it is very important to do the CTM so that you get a very smooth skin and your makeup looks more flawless. So for that, first of all, you need to clean your skin. You can either use a face wash or a cleansing milk or a micellar water. Now for face wash, I would like to suggest you this Lakme Blush and Glow Cream face wash with strawberry extract. This one can be used by anyone for all skin types. I have oily skin, and what I like about this face wash is that it doesn't dries out your skin. It makes your skin very clean and it doesn't dries out your skin, which is a very important point for me. So whenever you are choosing a face wash, try to choose something that is for all skin types, because if you choose a face wash for oily skin, it will dry out your skin. If you choose a face wash for dry skin, it will make your skin very much oilier or creamier. So I try to choose products which are for all skin types, especially in my CTM. Also, if you don't want to use a face wash, you can use a micellar water. This one is from Garnier. You can use any micellar water that you want, because these are not particularly for any skin type, and they don't have any smell or color. So these are really good to clean your skin in just one swipe. After cleaning your skin, you might need a toner to balance the pH level of your skin. So you can use any toner or rose water. Right now I'm using this toner from Biotique. This is the Biotique Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. Now this is for normal to oily skin, but this works good for all skin types. I use this every day and it has really made a difference in my skin. After cleansing and toning, it is very important to moisturize your skin, and moisturizing is something, guys, that you must not forget. Now it doesn't matter whether you have oily skin or dry skin or combination skin or normal skin, moisturizing is very important. Doesn't matter whether the season is winter or summer, you need to moisturize your skin after you clean it. For moisturizing, I would suggest you the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This one is for all skin types, so anyone can use this. If you are confused that which moisturizer you should use based on your skin type, or you are trying many different moisturizers but it is not working for you, so you can go for this one, and this is really good. So if you are doing makeup for the daytime, you can apply a sunscreen, and if you are doing it for the night, you can skip it. Coming to the first product that we need to apply before our makeup is a primer. For primer, I would suggest you the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This tones, smoothen and perfect. Very inexpensive. It is priced for just rupees 499, just 500. And this is a very good primer. This is a gel based primer which will blur out your pores, and this will make your skin really smooth for the foundation to be applied later. So I would suggest you to try this primer from Nykaa. It is very affordable and works really good. So if you're a person who has dark spots and pigmentation on your face, you need to correct that first before moving on to foundation or concealer. So for a corrector, I would suggest you this orange corrector from LA Girl. A very good corrector used all over the world by all famous and professional makeup artists, and everyone loves it. This is a very lightweight concealer or corrector, and you can definitely go for this one if you want to use something to hide those dark spots or pigmented spots. You just have to apply this onto the spots, and later you can go with your foundation or concealer. If you have red spots, you can use the green corrector from same LA Girl, and if you have black spots or blue spots, you can go for this orange corrector. The price for this is near about 690 rupees, I guess. I'll mention the price and link in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And make sure that you use a corrector before applying a foundation if you have any dark spots. After applying a corrector, you need to apply a foundation. Now the foundation that I would suggest to everyone right now would be this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is matte plus poreless, and this is something that can be used by all skin types. You don't have to worry whether your skin is oily or dry. If you maintain your skin good and you do the CTM properly, you can go for this one. This is really good for people with oily skin type, and this works really good for dry skin as well. Very lightweight, and for a beginner this is a very good foundation, because you're starting, you don't want to mess up by applying too much foundation or making your foundation very patchy or cakey. So you can go for this one, and later you can purchase a full coverage foundation. This is not a full coverage foundation, but something to medium to full coverage, and this works really good, gets absorbed into your skin very well, and makes your makeup look very natural and smooth. Now this comes in two sizes. This is the smaller one. I also have the bottle of this one. The price for this is 299, and if you want to try this one, you can definitely go for this smaller pack, and if you want to invest in the bigger one, you can go for the bottle as well. Next on, we have a concealer. This concealer is also from Maybelline, and it is a very good concealer. This can be used for both highlighting and concealing. The product that I have in my hand is a neutralizer. This means that if you don't have a lot of dark spots and you're not using the orange corrector, you can use this one later after your foundation under your eyes to neutralize the dark spots. If you have very less dark spots, you can use this one. You can use this one to highlight your face, like on the forehead, on the bridge of the nose, here, and under your eyes also. You can use this concealer to brighten up your face and give your face some dimension. This is a very lightweight concealer and gets absorbed into your skin very fast, so you have to be very quick while blending this. The price of this is near about 700. Very good concealer if you want to start. After applying all that base, that foundation and concealer, you definitely need a loose powder to set that in place and make your face look more matte. For that, I would suggest this loose powder from Kryolan. These are translucent powders. This means that this is only to set your foundation in place or your base in place. Get it? This is priced for just rupees 550, and this is a very good loose powder to set your base. Now if you don't get this one, you can purchase the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. That is easily available online, and that is also a very good variant. Now we are halfway through the face makeup, and before we move on to the eye makeup, let me finish the highlight and the lipstick part. For highlighter, I would suggest this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight Powder. This is a very good highlight powder, better than the Maybelline Master Chrome. The Maybelline Master Chrome has very chunky particles, and I really don't like that. This one has really smooth particles. The particles in this are very lightweight, very powdery, so it doesn't make your face very lit up. This gives you a very gentle glow. You can layer that, but even in the first application, you don't have to worry that your face will look very bright or chunky, and its particle doesn't spread even after 2 to 3 hours of its application. So you can definitely go for this one. This is my personal favorite highlight. The shade that I have is Precious Petals, and I purchased it from Myntra. I got it in sale for just rupees 50, guys. I guess the price for this one is near about 400 to 500, but if try purchasing it in the sale, you'll get it at a much cheaper price. Now for blush, I have two things for you. The first one is this a blush from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Color Show blush, and this is near about 300 rupees. When applying a blush, you need at least two shades. One should be a pink shade and one should be an orange shade, depending upon the color you are wearing or what shade of makeup you are doing. If you are doing a makeup in a cool tone or pink tone, you need to apply a pink blush. But if you are doing a makeup in warm tone or you are doing makeup in a orange tone, you need to apply a orange or peachy blush. So you can purchase a peach colored blush from the same Maybelline Color Show. This is a very good blush, and I have the pink one here. this one from Kryolan, and don't mind it, it is a bit broken. So here it is. Now it has three shades. One is this orange, one is this pink, and this is a very neutral tone. So when you don't want to go with a lot of blusher, a lot of color, you can apply this color. If you want to go with a peach tone, you can apply this one, and if you want to go with a orange or warm tone, you can apply this one. This is priced for just rupees 1000, and this is my favorite blusher of all time. I use it on all my client guys. I really love this. This is very flawless. This doesn't gives you any patch while you're applying a blusher. I've tried many blushers, but this always remains my personal favorite in this price. This is something that I would suggest you. If you want one palette and 2-3 shades, you should go for this one. This is just for rupees 1000. Want to purchase Kryolan products, you can go to a cosmetic shop and ask them, and you can order the Kryolan products, and they will bring it for you. Like, you have to tell them, because these products are always in shortage. If you live in Delhi, you can get it from the Kryolan store, or even you can order it online from the Kryolan website. Now guys, if you want one stop for all shades, you can go for this lipstick palette. This is from the Revolution Pro Lip Kit, and the shade is Red and Bams. This is one shade palette. They also come up with a neutral shade palette which has all the nude colors in it, and this is a very beautiful palette, and this is something that stays for really long time. Price for just rupees 1850, I guess. I purchased it from Nykaa, and this is all beautiful shades of red, pink. Here you can get this brown shade, this purple shade, and this green shade. You want to experiment, so you can definitely go and purchase this lip kit. So in 2000 you are getting all these colors, and this one is from Revolution Pro. Now we are done with the face makeup and the lip makeup. Let's move on to the eye makeup and see what affordable products do we have in the eye makeup section. Now starting off with an eyeshadow palette, and I'll share with you one eyeshadow palette which is my personal favorite. This is all the shades. You can use these shades for party makeup, bridal makeup, neutral makeup, whatever you would like to use. Now here comes my favorite Revolution Sofix palette. This is my favorite palette. This is a very beautiful palette. The colors in this are really beautiful, and they blend very easily. This is all shades of golden, orange, red, brown, black, everything. Now you can use this palette to, like, you can use this shade. I'll tell you how I use it. You can use this shade to fill your eyebrows, so you don't need a separate eyebrow gel or eyebrow palette to fill in your eyebrows. I use this one to fill in my eyebrows. I've used it right now as well. Now here are some few golden colors. If you want to do a night party makeup look, you can go for this shade. If you want a neutral eye makeup look, you can go for this shade. If you want something orange, you can go for this. If you want something cool tone, you can go for this. I use this shade to highlight below my brow bone and my inner corners. It looks beautiful. And this one for the smoky eye. There are many other shades which you can mix and match, and you will completely love this palette. This is priced for just rupees 1950. If you purchase it in sale or on Myntra, you will get at a very much cheaper price. So you can go for this palette. Now using this one palette, we are sorted with the eyebrow thing, the eyeshadow thing, the highlight thing, and now what we need is an eyeliner. For eyeliner, if you're starting, you can go for this Lakme Insta liner, and if you are someone who is scared of using liquid liners, you can go for a sketch liner. This one is from Swiss Beauty. This is a very good sketch liner. If you're someone who doesn't have so much hold in applying a liquid eyeliner, you can always start with a sketch eyeliner, because there are no chances of mistake while using a sketch eyeliner. So this one is really good from Swiss Beauty. For gel liner, I would suggest you Maybelline New York gel liner. This is also a very good gel liner, and you can definitely go for this one. This is priced for rupees 500, and this works very good. Kajal, I would suggest you this LA18 Kajal. This is also very cheap. This is very inexpensive, and I think this is just rupees 100 to 150, and this works really good. This doesn't smudge off. This does not makes your eye watery, and I completely love it. And now coming to an end with this mascara from Maybelline Volusia. This is a very good mascara. You get this in two shades, one washable and one waterproof, and this one is the waterproof one, and this will make your lashes very thick, so you can always go for one coat or two coat while using a mascara, and if you want more volume you can go for false lashes. So guys, this was all about the beginner's makeup kit. I hope I was able to help you with preparing your makeup kit. The products I shared are really affordable and my favorite. They are completely tried and tested, and if you want to learn how to use these makeup products, you can always go and watch out for my makeup tutorials that I've shared. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This means a lot to me. If you like my video, and comment down below whatever you felt. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.